Hi, my name is Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a geometric star. This is modular, so you're going to be able to do a bunch of different shapes with this, but today we'll focus on the star. And so we're going to start with 3 pieces of origami paper. You can also use post-its if you'd like to practice with that, but we are just going to divide these into 4. So make sure that these edges are aligned. You really want them the same size as possible. You can use scissors or a guillotine if you have it. Fold this in half. Okay, we have 12 sheets. Yeah, 12 sheets. So now let's start with purple. We are going to fold this in half. And then fold it in half again. Spin it round, fold the other side to the middle. And then open it up, and you're gonna fold this side in and this side in. Fold these corners in, or the sides, fold the sides in, and then we're going to fold along this line. So fold up. Fold along here. And then open it up, tuck this one inside, flip it over, and tuck this one inside. And here is one module. So the important thing is to fold all of these in exactly the same way. Here, let me show you again. So don't fold these corners in. Always make sure that they're the same, that these 2 corners. You can make all of these the same color if you want to. You can have more than 3 colors if you want to. Amazing! And they should all kind of align and look like this. Let's just keep going and let's just make a bunch of these. We're gonna get better and better as time goes on. Okay, so here we go. We have 12 of these. Awesome. Now we've got the next step. Let's go. So we're just going to take 3 of these and Put them all in the same position like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold right along this line like this. So make it into a crown. Make this into a crown. Same thing. Okay. And then same thing, make this into a crown like that. Make sure that they're all the same direction, same way, that they were all folded in the same way. This to this, this to this, and this to this. If it's not all done the same way, it might get a little bit confusing. Okay, and then we are going to fold this in like so. Flip it over, and same thing. Fold this in like so. So we're just going to do this with all of them. Like that. Same thing here. Fold this in like so. Flip it over. Fold this over like so. Same thing. Fold this over. Flip it over. Fold it over. And when you let them go, they probably all kind of look like a zigzag. So let's do this with all of them now. Fold over. Yes! Okay, we have all of these. Let's just take the 3 colors. And now is the part we get to piece it together. How fun! So we are going to see this, there's a little gap in here. It's going to be a little pocket. You're going to stick this into the pocket. So we have all of them facing the same way. Might make it easier to have them all kind of facing the same way like this. Okay? And you're going to grab them both like this and put it in like so. Like that. Okay, now we're going to take this and place this into this pocket. Okay, we have 1 pocket left, we have 1 flap left, so just bring the flap over and you're going to push it in like so. Yes, and here we go, we have, oops, just take a little bit of fidgeting, but now we have a triangular module. So why don't we do this with all of them, just make separate ones. So we're going to start with this. And you want to make 4 of these. So we have another one, and then lastly we have another one. So start with 4 of these, and then we're going to piece it together. So take these 2. See, there's a purple on this side. Take the yellow, push this in. Take this side, put it in here. You're only going to connect 2 of these points. Just connect 2 of them. And then bring this over. Find the, see there's a yellow side here, so use the white one. If you're using 3 colors. Connect it here. Now take this purple, see this white, connect it here. Now we're going to connect 3 points to this part here. Yes! Here we go. And then we are going to take this one. It's a little bit of a puzzle piece, but I believe in you. Take this here, purple, yellow, and fill in this purple gap. Okay, this purple gap, and then just fill in the rest. You're gonna be able to figure it out. Again, it's just a bit of a puzzle. The very last parts are a bit of a puzzle, but just make sure all of these pockets have somewhere to connect to. And then you are done! Amazing! And there you have your geometric star. But with these modules you can do a bunch of different things. So have fun with this. Can't wait to see it. Tag me in them if you post it. I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please, please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you, thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!